Okay. Where you at? I'm in the west cell.
See y'all, boys.
Where are you?
Okay, so that means you're in front of me.
Okay. Okay. Teach me some. I'm gonna go forward then. Right? I'm gonna go forward.
Are you a girl or a boy?
I'm a boy. Are you still a girl?
See you.
I've been the same character the whole time. You said I should be in front of you. I'm walking forward. I'm running forward. He might be chasing me. He's not. Just move a little bit so I can see where you are.
Okay, I'm about to bump some bones.
I see you. You're right there. Stop, 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 stop. I see you.
Hey,
Hi.
I love when she says your name. Leland? What is
Who was
Thousand
that
Tunnel?
saying my name? Get
Oh!
back.
Okay, my bad. I thought that was.
Oh, she part of the clique now. Babe,
Together.
at the first opportunity, we're gonna kill her.
Her? Why?
At the first opportunity, we are sacrificing her.
Oh, okay. I guess that's fair. Okay, what is the retrieve bone
Oh my
scrap?
God, we're all here. We're all here.
Her.
We're all here. There's a black guy.
Shh.
We're all here.
Okay, okay, okay. We have to make it upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is the tunnel?
Wait, maybe through here?
Oh, this is where I was.
Can I use that?
It's not shop. Central tunnel. Okay, this leads to something.
Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did y'all go? Where did y'all go? Where did y'all
Central
go?
tunnel. I went through. I've been.
Kinda lost you guys. Kinda.
She's work.
I'm in the south tunnel. South tunnel. Is that near the central? I'm in the south tunnel.
Turn one way and literally like
I see the black guy.
I.
It's just me and him now. I was in the south tunnel. Furnace tunnel.
Okay, hold on. I might.
Bone room.
To, Slayer.
Can I use this?
I'm in the fuse box room. The black guy's gone. He left.
Okay.
Leatherface layer. Oh, come on. The odds. I love it. Ran straight into you. It was destined.
Got that
Yeah.
door.
I need to find a toolbox.
That was-
Oh my God, I did not mean to do that. You carry the stuff to get us out, and I'll carry the stuff to protect us. W plan.
Is this a lockpick?
Okay, it's a lockpick.
Your character
Okay.
just started smiling. That is crazy.
There was a door over there. Not sure if it led to upstairs.
Right here, this door. I can teach you how to do it real quick. So, you gotta find the correct way for it to turn green and then tap X. Don't tap X too fast though, it'll break. You gotta like go on and off. Don't break it. You can take your time.
Oh, okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Move. Move. Oh, level one.
Hey,
We
you
chilling, all
make
right?
all the noise in the world.
We chilling. We chilling. We chilling. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. I swear, go back down. Go back down. Go back down. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. We're not chilling. Go
Ken,
back down.
why
Go
do
back
you
down.
do that? Ken, why do you do that? Ken, why do you do that?
Run. Run. They're all here. I went back upstairs. I broke ankles and went back upstairs. I broke ankles and went back upstairs. If you can find
went back
the door, go.
upstairs?
Yeah. If you can find the door, come back up.
I don't see him.
If you can find that door, please come back up. I'm by myself. All right, here one of them coming.
Ken,
Oh,
no.
come on. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. You're out. Come on, quick. Hurry, they're killing her. Hurry, they're killing her. Oh my god. Okay. It's just me and you. It is just me and you. Where are you at? I don't see you. Where did you go?
Side of me.
Oh, okay. I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared. I want to be doing this by myself. Run! Come back! Come back this way!
Fuck!
Come back this way!
Fuck!
I got you.
Can't. I
got you.
can't. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I got you! Go! Come through it. Oh, that's not you.
I'm
Oh, that
ran
is not you.
I ran in
that
the
is
wrong
not you.
place. Maybe I ran in the wrong place.
The whole squad is here. It's just me and you.
Hey. I did.
Oh my
Still
God,
outside.
where-
Are you still outside?
No, I'm inside.
What door?
I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back up. I closed myself in with them.
Baby. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Please don't die. Please. Are you alive? Are you alive?
I can't sprint. Why can't I run?
You're out of stamina?
Oh my god, both of them are following me!
Run.
Hey, I died.
Are you dead?
I died.
Oh. Okay, I'll win this for me. I'll win this for you. Do you believe in me?
You win this for me. I'm screaming.
Do you believe in me?
Babe, he literally just killed me where he's standing. Like, a little bit over there.
Oh my God, he sees me. Do you believe in me?
Stay still, baby. Like he over there.
This freak.
Oh my
God!
God! You.
Oh my God, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, right? I'm not cooked.
Yes, you are.
You're trash.
Fuck!
I'm good. He can't come down here. He can't
Oh.
do it.
Come on. Oh, base clutch. Oh, big clutch. Oh, babe.
Where's he at? Please don't tell me he's... Is he above me? Is he above me? He's not above me. He's not above me. Oh my god, level 2? Level 2? Really? Honestly, don't care. Level 2? We don't care. Alright, you're about to watch Hall of Fame ankle break. Hall of Fame ankle break. Hall of Fame. Oh my god!
Oh, they did you dirty, babe.
That's all nice and clean. Just like Grandpa taught you.
Ah. That was. He just did me crazy. He just.
I actually like sold the bag. I broke the like. I only had a little bit more. Broke the damn. I sold.